Hey guys, Sam here from Medic Cloud Australia. We're here at the KIMES 2026, having a look at the DRGEM product lineup. We've been dealing with DRGEM since 2011, 2012. I've been personally installing these machines as a field engineer, and there is nothing more I love than the quality, the engineering, the craftsmanship that goes into these machines. And I've been there watching these products improve year after year after year. DRGEM has done a fantastic job of releasing these products, improving these products, keeping them up to date. And you know, this is one of their latest additions, the EC series. We haven't actually installed one as yet, but we will be installing these throughout 2026, in addition to some of the more the higher end models that they have in their product lineup. And I'm also very, very excited to work with their TOPAZ mobile X-ray units. That's just going to be a phenomenal experience, particularly in hospital environments where they need to be able to move the machines around quite quickly from room to room, doing urgent care or emergency patient X-rays. You can see the machine is motorized, so it just moves one hand functionality. Look at that, one hand, and it's just moving it around. Very easy to maneuver it. Once it's in position, same deal. Handlebars allows you to lift it up and down with ease. Very comfortable for the operator, and ultra easy to move it around over the positioning of the bed. The tube arm extends out or retracts back in, as you can see. We've got full rotation on the tube head, so you can do your angle exposures. It's a super easy machine to use, and you should be able to get around 280 exposures out of this one machine on a full charge. So there's no cables, there's no cords, nothing to plug around into the equation. And even better yet, if the operator is taking it into a room where they don't feel comfortable with taking the exposures, a Bluetooth wireless stick, so you can actually step out of the room, do your exposures. It's got all the colors, lights, everything there to let you know where the exposure's been done. And you walk back to your machine, you've got yourself a crystal clear screen, touch panel. You can see the entire exposure, the X-ray, everything in one consolidated system. Come and try it out, buy one, get it into the clinics out there. If you don't, you're missing out on a great product. Ultra low dose with high sensitivity DR panel. I don't know what else to say about this system apart from it can go into any facility out there that you can think of.